Shut up!
We got him. We got him in sight. Back off. That's okay.
WXXL HD1 to Ferries, Orlando.
From the Abercrombie PA Studios, your auto accident attorney 24/7.
Son of a bitch!
PA.com.
Waiver commercials.
Until that car either runs out of gas or there's but yeah, he's just going to keep a. Yeah, it's going to be a little cat and mouse. Yeah, yeah. Well, you know, you'd wonder the driver, the stolen vehicle, his adrenaline, it must have peaked and fell by now. You got to wonder, this guy's probably thirsty. You know, playing cat and mouse with the law enforcement like that is never a good game. As far as I've known, except for Tom and Jerry, the mouse always is the loser in the end. And in this case, the law enforcement, definitely the cat. That Mustang, though, just stay in arm's length out of reach of those officers. And like you said, it really seems like he's doing the, I'm going to slow down, I'm going to speed up. Oh, look, he's getting up behind me there. And here we go. Boho! Soon as I said it, that is a pit maneuver. So you got to wonder if that engine shut off or not, because this guy hasn't given up in the past. Usually when they do that, those motors will stall. In this case, it looks like that car is stopped. That light coming back on from the LAPD. I'm getting wider just to show that there's just two California Highway Patrol vehicles right there, and they're giving this guy a little bit of a berth, which is unusual. Right now, though, you can see him kind of fidgeting around, maybe making that decision. I see that lap belt across that white shirt, so hasn't taken off that seat belt, so it doesn't seem like he's made this decision like it's over. He's still kind of thinking about it, but definitely a pit maneuver of all pit maneuvers. Doors open, hands are up. Woo! And we're going to have to go for fuel, but definitely want to at least see this guy pop his head out of the car. We're just so we making it very clear.
He's chasing the car right there. Oh man.
It means it's artificial intelligence. If you solve search, that means you can answer any question.
Damn, I'm
Which
ready.
means you can do basically anything.
But we're still going to be reeling over this with the higher totals in the lakes and reservoirs and the creeks. And another shot of the heavy rain tonight. Right now we are quiet and it's mostly cloudy. The showers have been deep. This afternoon, possible into tonight. Cold front moves moving around. About 68. Some areas will last. The showers will last into the morning hours. Saturday, 84.
Oh my god! Oh my god! That Mustang things. Oh shit! Oh my god!
Illustrated artist, and I think he was cast really bad.
You think? You're questioning his casting?
I mean, where are they going to find?
in the way. Oh, fuck. Fuck.
You gonna flip me off and then get mad because I say something?
I'm a bitch.
You
This
flip.
is the school zone.
Did you go read
Your
it?
fucking ass down.
Did you go read what time it's over with? 3:45. Look at your watch.
Go around me. You want to make the stand and go around me?
You flipped me off.
Drive slow.
You
Come here.
You flipped me off.
I'll flip you off again.
Well,
I'll sit on your fucking face.
what's good for one's good for the other.
Oh shit. Oh, did you record that? Oh.
Będzie ci wdzięczny. Szczegóły na lideranimator.pl. Zaprasza Coca-Cola, promotor sportu i partner programu Lider Animator. Odkryj swoje ciało.
Coś jak księżyc w pełni. Czuję się, jakbym przez noc przytył. Nie mogę nawet ciągnąć brzucha. Napinam spod z tymi nutami. Nie chcę wejść. Nie mogę się...
Dang! And I got it on tape!
Oh!
Don't roll up like that.